Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can reset your Opera browser in 2026 to default or factory settings, for instance, to fix various performance issues or bugs. So let us dive into this. So guys, here in the Opera browser, you want to click into these three lines on the top right, scroll to the very bottom of that sidebar and select your browser settings. Inside your browser settings, click into the into that option at the very bottom, reset settings. Click into restore settings to factory settings and confirm by clicking into this button. Now, I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep my temporary data, cookies, extensions, and so on and so forth. Because if you confirm that, all your installed extensions, all your site data, cookies, and so on and so forth will be removed, including all browser settings. Just the bookmarks and your browsing history and saved passwords are excluded from the rule, but the rest will be reset to factory settings. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.